Yes, Aditya. The Lagrangian equation form will be in the form of capital P suffix small p plus capital Q suffix small q is equals to R, where your P, Q, R are going to be the function of x, y, z is called a Lagrange's linear equation. After that, what you're going to do, you're going to write the auxiliary equation of this one for finding the general solution. The way of writing it's your dx divided by capital P, it's equals to dy divided by capital Q, it's equals to dz divided by capital R. With the steps it's involved here, that what you're going to write, the first step you're going to write the auxiliary equation. Steps for solving this one, what we needed, the first one we are going to write auxiliary equations, that nothing but this only, dx divided by p, it's equals to dy by q, it's equals to dz by r. Now second step, from this two you are going to take as an any two equations, and you're going to find for a and b, any solution you're going to find, you're going to consider, find any two independent solutions of the subsidiary equations. Any two equations you're going to take for the first set, then later you're going to take remaining two. Either you're going to take dx and dy, this as in a one group, or you can go for second solution as in a dx into dz, or you can go for your dy into dx. These are the way for considering the uh, grouping one equations. Then let the two solution, let the two solutions be u is equals to a and v is equals to b, where a and b are arbitrary constants. Next will be your third step, you're going to write the general solution. General solution will be your f of u comma v, it's equals to 0, or u is equals to f of v. These are the steps for your solving that grouping one, method of a grouping. This is it clear, Aditya?
Yes, ma'am.
Any to, this is the way you're going to find that grouping also. I will say what same only, this only it will be method of grouping. You have to find two sets of a solution. First, write your auxiliary equation, that is nothing but dx by p, it's equals to dy by q, it's equals to dz by r. Then for finding the solution, what you're going to do, either you're going to take dx by p, it's equals to dy by q. This is as a one set, or you can take for the next set as a dx by p is equals to dz by r, or you can take dy by q, it's equals to dz by r. After finding that two solutions, you are going to write the general equations. This type of a solutions is known as method of a grouping. Now take down the solution. No, sorry, take down the problem based on this one. Solve solve px p, oh god, p suffix x plus q suffix y is equals to z. So what is your capital P and what is your capital Q and what is your capital R here? Your Lagrangian equation is going to be as in a what form? Your P suffix small p plus capital Q suffix small q, it's equals to R. So here we are having small p and small q already it's given. So your x is going to the value for p and y is going to be the value for your capital Q and your z is going to be your capital R. Therefore, here p it's equals to x. Then your q it's equals to y and and your r is equals to z. Now first write down your auxiliary equation, that is dx by p it's equals to dy by q it's equals to dz by r. Now substitute the values. Dx by x it's equals to dy by y it's equals to dz by z. Now first consider any two equations. So we will take for the first solution, first two terms will take. Consider first two terms, that is dx by x is equals to dy by y. Now what you're going to do, already your x terms is with x only and your y terms with dy only. So directly we'll do that integration, we'll get that solution. If it's in opposite directions means we'd have to do as in a cross multiplication to do that integration. Integrating on both the sides, both the sides. So your dx by x is equals to dy by y plus log c, that is a constant. Because why I am writing log c here, both the terms it's going to come into the log form only. Integration of 1 by x is equals to log x is equals to log y is plus log c. Now take this log y on this side. So it will become as minus log x minus log y is equals to log c. This is in the form of your log a by b, where we know that your log of a by b it's equals to log a minus log b. This formula we can apply over here. So this term we can write as log of a by b it's equals to log c. C1 will take. This is the first solution because one more we have to consider. So your C1 is equals to, now your this log and this log will get cancelled. C1 it's equals to a by b. So I got one set of a solution. Now I am having next two options. Either I can go dx by x is equals to dz by z, or dy by y is equals to dz by z. It's up to you. Any one set you can take. So here we'll take last two terms we'll take. We'll consider last two terms. Consider here one second. Here it's going to be as an what? Log.
Is it x by
Yeah, x. It should be as an x by y. I have written a by b only. This is going to be x by y and this is equals to x by y. Now consider uh, second and third term. Second and third term. What is that one? Second and third term. It's your log d is divide, no?
Yes, ma'am. dy by y is equal to
dy
dz by z.
by y, it's equals to dz by z. Now here also, instead of doing any cross multiplication, any shuffling, because already respective terms are with the respective terms only. So directly we'll go for integrating. Integrating on both the sides. Integrating dy by y, it's equals to integrating dz by z. Here also the two terms are going to come into the log form. So here I will take as a log c2, the constant. It's an arbitrary constant. Your log y, it's equals to log z plus log c2. Now take this term on this side. It will become as minus it will become log y minus log z, it's equals to log c2. Again the same formula we can use here. Log a by b is equals to log a minus log b. So this is going to be log of y by z, it's equals to log c2. So your log and log will get cancelled. Your y by z, it's equals to c2. So this is your second set of solution. Now write your general solution. General solution, your phi of c1 comma c2, it's equals to 0, which implies phi of what we got first one, it's x by y, no? X by y comma y by z, which is the required solution. It's equals to 0. It's equals to 0, which is the required solution. Yes, Aditya, any doubt in this one? Aditya, you're there?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm just writing.
Any doubt over here?
No, ma'am.
No, it's a clear. All the steps are clear for you.